Live It Like Lisa here, and I have a little bit of a special unboxing for you guys today. This is not a sub box unboxing, but this is my Book Lovers Traveler's Notebook has finally arrived. So let's have a look. Oh my God, it's here. I just wanted to share this with you guys because I've been so excited about receiving this. Now this, I would have to say, as a book lover person, I think to date, this has been my absolute favorite kit. So if you're subscribed to Planners Anonymous or you've been watching my videos for a while, I do a planner subscription box unboxing each month. And Book Lovers was one of the themes a couple of months back. And I think, in all honesty, it's probably one of my favorite ones, only because it's all about books and I love books. So we also had the opportunity to purchase separately the Traveler's Notebook that goes with the Book Lovers theme or the Book Lovers kit. So I had to get it. There was no two ways about it. So I just wanted to show you guys it today. So it comes in this beautiful little drawstring bag, which is in the Book Lovers theme. So here is the Traveler's Notebook. It is so beautiful. Okay, let's get it out of the packet. Oh my God, it is so pretty. I love it. Okay, so here is the notebook. It is a burgundy color on the spine with PA, Planners Anonymous, on the spine there. We've got the Book Lovers theme picture on the front as well as the back. We have a little pocket at the back here. It has your elastic that goes over to hold it closed. And then inside we have a pocket at the back here. We have a little window pocket here and then two other pockets at the back. It comes with 4 strings, which is great. And then we've got another pocket at the back here, and have a look, even all the inside cover has got your book theme as well. Then we've got 3 little credit card slots on the back here, and then 1 longer pocket as well as a pen loop. How beautiful. It is just gorgeous. I love this so much. I definitely think I'm going to be using this next year as well somehow. I'm not sure yet, but I'm not sure how I'm going to use it, but I'll definitely be using it somehow. Now, also as part of the Traveler's Notebook, we received this little insert, which this is a B6 size, I believe. I'm not very familiar with Traveler's Notebooks. I'm pretty new to them, so I haven't got a lot of Traveler's Notebooks, but I believe this is a B6 size, which is slightly smaller than an A5, and we get the insert to go with it. So we've got the Book Lovers theme on the front. That's the cardboard. And the first page is our succulents. So you've got your monthly calendar at the front. We've got our goals and a decorative page there. We've got your weekly pages in the different color schemes. Then we've got the magic can be found between the pages of a book middle spread. We've also got a one of the pages in the subscription box was this exact page as well. And you've got another weekly spread here. Another one. Then you've got some lined note pages. Some dotted pages. I don't know if you can see that, but they are, it is actually dotted very lightly. Then we've got a Get It Done and Don't Stop Now list pages. And then a 2019 calendar at the back. So that you could just slot in any of your strings really. You can slot it in there and then create some other inserts to go with it. And it all, I'm pretty sure it came with this. I don't think you had to purchase it separately. I'll say it came with this sticker kit. If it didn't, I will just leave a little message on the screen here to say no, this was separate. So in this kit you get these are box sticker sheets. So these are all to go on your box stickers. You've got your icons and numbers and to-do lists, as well as some little tab name file things. You have your days of the week and some washi tape sticker here as well. You have some more file tabs as well as some little icons. We have some more box stickers here. A few more here. These would be also suitable for like the happy planners and that, trackers. Then you have your little cartoon girls. And then another decorative sheet of stickers as well. And then these, like you can use these to create additional inserts in your traveler's notebook. So they could be the cover, because they're a sort of a thicker card stock type material. So you can use these to create additional inserts within your planner as well. How beautiful. I just love this kit so much. So yeah, you can use those to create additional insert booklets for your traveler's notebook. And then all your stickers. So, and you can just sit all your stickers in there also. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly get on here and show you guys this. I'm not sure if they're still available. You can try the website to see if they've still got any available. From memory, I think they're about $80. I just thought I'd just jump on here and show you guys this gorgeous little traveler's notebook, because I'm just so excited to receive it. It is so pretty. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching.